G'day trendsetters. I bought myself a finger lime. I know bugger all about finger limes, but a couple of weeks ago I went down to the ℏ𝕃𝔼𝔸𝕍𝔼 garden fair or something, I can't remember what they call it. Marvellous day, heaps and heaps of people. But I came home with this finger lime, it's called Byron Sunrise. I don't know why it's called Byron Sunrise. I did ask the man, there was a lime one and a few different ones, and I asked the bloke who I bought it off, is there any difference? And he said you get a slight, like with Byron Sunrise, it's got an orangey tinge, you get a slight orangey tinge. Another one you get a slight lemon tinge. I don't know how true that is. But all I do know about finger limes is what is on the back, apart from it being an Australian native citrus. So this is Microcitrus Australasia. Slightly less tart than other finger lime varieties. I didn't read that at the time. Byron Sunrise is ideal for using in cocktails, desserts, and with seafood. Winning all round so far. Uses container plant. Now this will be a container plant because on the left of my little tag here, it says grows 4 to 6 meters. I haven't got anywhere I can put anything that size in 4 to 6 meters, so container for you. Plant in courtyards and on patios. Feature tree in Mediterranean style gardens. Espaliad. I could espaliate, but the thorns on this thing are, I don't know if they get bigger, but they're quite savage. Espaliad along a sunny wall, ornamental tree. The fruit is highly nutritious, rich in vitamin C and high in antioxidants. The preferred complement in all champagnes and fine beers. No, I haven't been there and done that. Care, water during the warmer months. That's pretty obvious, especially when the fruit are forming in containers. Water every 3 to 4 days, more in hot weather. Do not water the trunk. Citrus are notorious for cholera rot, so yeah, you want to try and keep the trunk where it meets the soil as dry as possible, as often as possible. Fertilise in spring and late summer, early autumn with a fertiliser high in nitrogen. Do not allow to touch the trunk. Again, same reason. Prune in late spring. This will definitely be pruned. If I can keep it to about 2 meters, probably the same height as Marvin, that will be good. Byron Sunrise fruits are produced from December to March and are ready to pick when fruit nearly falls off in the hand. There you go. So what I have to do is get out of this pot and into the next size pot up. I won't go from this size pot to a big pot because the roots just go straight to the edge and they don't fill up the pot with usable roots. So we'll just increase one pot size at a time. This is a 6-inch pot, 150 mils, so I'll go to an 8-inch pot, which is 200 mils, and with a little bit of YouTube magic, ℏ𝕃𝔼𝔸𝕊, ℏ𝕃𝔼𝔸𝕍. You gotta love a bit of YouTube magic. I just use a premium potting mix. That's my 8-inch pot, 200 ml pot. Water it. I don't know how often, I don't know how quick they'll grow or how rapid they grow. We'll find out. So watch this space. I was going to say, if you got any tips or comments about growing finger lime, Microcitrus Australasia, let me know in the comments below. Love to hear from you. But that's it for now. Job done. Cheers, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Please like and subscribe. All helps the YouTube world go round. So they say.